Hello folks, welcome back for another practice session. Okay, you're going to see we're going to hit all the numbers today. We're going to start out with the tens of 4, using 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take that because the button's off. 6, 1. Sorry, flip it. Okay, we're going to start off with the 6, 4, 5, 4. We're going to change it because that one gave us a 7. 10. 10's the point. 6, 4. Pretty good landing in that one. Same set. Ten, 6, 4. Point made. Same set. 4, 2, 2. Points 4. Five, 2, 3. Alright, let's change that. We're going to go with the 2, 1, 6, 2. 4, 2, 2. Six, 5, 1. Point made on the previous row, and the point now is 6. Four, 3, 1. Okay, that's about 8 row now. You know that's where the sweet spot is for the 7, so let's act accordingly. Six, 3, 3. Point made. Alright, same set. This would be the 10th row. We're going to shut our bets off. Or we shut your bets off on the 10th. 8. Okay. 6, 2. We just need to pass 14. That's all it is. Same set. Six, 3, 3. 6 point. No, the point was 8 in the previous row. You still need those horn numbers and whirl and 1, 9. So, and just stay with us. Eight, 3, 5. Point made. Made the fire bet. All 4. Point made. So we got the fire bet. And we're at the 13 row. Gotta change that. Gotta go with the 6, 3, 3, 6. Six, 1, 5, 0.6. Same set. Three, 1, 2. And change that. I need the horn. I'm going to go with a cross 6. I'm going to rotate it a quarter. Rotate it a quarter. Quarter forward. Four, 1, 3. Okay, we're at 15 row. This would be 16. We just saw a horn number. Let's get away from that. We're going to go with the 2, 1, 6, 2. Try to hit that 2 and 12. 9, 6, 3. Okay, all we need is 11, 12, 2. Same set. Seven out, 16 row, cropped out on the 17th. So that'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 row, and make a 5 point. Okay, let's keep the video short and we'll restart the video in the next session.